Students, will start with example 5. Okay, now if you see the example 5, you have got ABC and PQR. Okay, now in triangle PQR and ABC, if you see the correspondence, turn the page. You have got AB upon RQ is equal to 3.8 upon 7.6 1 by 2, BC upon QP is equal to 6 upon 12 1 by 2, and CA upon PR is root 3 upon 6 root 3 1 by 2. So on basis of this, just go back. Okay, you will have AB corresponding to RQ, AB corresponding to RQ, BC corresponding to QP, okay, and CA corresponding to PR. Okay, so if you see this, AB corresponding to RQ, BC corresponding to PQ, and AC corresponding to PR. Okay, so the correspondence is ABC corresponding to RQP, that is RQP. So ABC is corresponding to RQP. That means angle A is corresponding to angle R, that is 80. Angle B is corresponding to angle Q, that is 60, and this is 80 plus 60 minus 180, so it will give you 40. So angle P will be 40. Okay, so that is how we get angle P is equal to 40. Now this example is not there in your course. We go to the next example, example 7. Now in this example, you have a lamp post which is 3.6 meters, a girl standing here which is 90 centimeter height, okay, and the base is 1.2 meter per second, and the shadow is after 4 seconds. Okay, so first we'll measure the distance from B to D, that is 1.2 meter into 4, because per second it is 1.2 meters and 4 seconds, so 4.8. Okay, so now we have got two triangles. We have got triangle A, B and E, and C, D and E. Okay, now if you see, these two angles are 90-degree. Okay, and this angle E is same for both the triangles. Okay, so we have got B equal to D 90, E equal to E. So by AB is corresponds to CDE. Okay, now if that correspondence is there, then BE upon DE, that is BE upon DE, is equal to AB upon CD. Okay, where BE, if you see this, BE is equal to BD plus DE, and we don't know what is DE, but we know what is BD, that is 4.8. So 4.8 plus X, okay, that is BD plus DE upon DE, that is X. Now AB is equal to 3.6 meters and this is 90 centimeters. So we'll convert this 90 centimeter into meters, so 0.9. Okay, and then the points gets cancelled, so 36 upon 9 you get 4. So cross multiply, you get 4.8 plus x is equal to 4x. Take the x on this side, you will get 3x is equal to 4.8, so x is equal to 1.6. Again, this example is not there in the course. Just turn the page. We go to the exercise 6.3. Now in exercise 6.3, you have to state which of them are similar and what is the reason for their similarity. Okay, so if you see the first one, okay, here all the angles are similar, so it is by AAA. Here if you see the ratio, okay, of AB is to QR, and BC is to PR, and CA is to PQ. It will be 1 by 2. So that is by SSS. Okay. Now here if you see MP upon DE, okay, that is 2 upon 4 is 1 by 2. LP upon DF, LP upon DF is also 1 by 2, but LM upon EF, that is 2.7 upon 5 is not equal to 1 by 2. So that means this similarity is not possible here. Now here you have got the similarity condition SAS, because it's two sides and an angle. Two sides and angle. Okay. So 2.5 upon 5 and 5 upon 10. That will give you the same ratio, and the 70. This is an included angle. So SAS. Now here, if you see, you have got two sides, okay, and the angle instead of A here, this angle. You can see these two sides, okay, and you can see these two sides. Now two sides has included angle here, but two sides here the angle is outside. Actually it should be BAT, okay. So between the two sides this angle should be given. Instead of that, here it is proper but here it is not, so this is not possible. Now again here you have got 70 80, so this will be 30. This is 30 80 30, so this will be 70, okay. So by AAA this is possible, okay. Now go to example 2 very quickly. If you see, this is 70 and this is 125. So these two angles are, this is a triangle DOC, this is the exterior angle COB. So this will be 180. So this will be 55. Angle DOC will be 55. So one answer we have got. Okay. Now next, this is 55, this is 70. So 125, so 180 minus 125. So this angle will be again 55. Now these two are vertically opposite angles, so this will be 55. So all three of them will be 55. This angle, and this angle will be 55. All other questions from this exercise are cancelled, so no need to do it. Okay, thank you.